Hello everyone, my name is Parul. I am a biology teacher. Basically, I am from UP, but I live in Pune. I already had a problem in English. I understood everything, but did not know how to speak. But when I saw Maheshwari ma'am and Rahul sir channel, You Can Speak on YouTube, I think she is the best teacher. When did the full 2 months online class, we didn't even know it. But every day we got to learn something new and our interest kept on increasing. Everyone remained present in the class for 2 months. It means that every day we learn some new techniques, some new methods, some new activities, and we got the complete knowledge of English from here. When we had any doubts in any sentences or topics, we used to clear our doubts by calling Rahul sir and Maheshwari ma'am. Sir and ma'am were always available on phone anytime. Many thanks to sir and ma'am who put their precious time and efforts and helped us a lot in learning English speaking. I think first learner must join this course so that their basic can be cleared and their hesitation too can be away in English speaking. Sir and ma'am will continue to clear our doubts even further, and we will always be in contact with sir and ma'am. Thank you for developing confidence in me from English speaking. I feel confident and motivated. Thanks again, Rahul sir and Maheshwari ma'am. At last, practice makes a man perfect. Thank you.